In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable screen sharing in Zoom. Whether you're using Zoom for business meetings, educational purposes, or casual catch-ups, keeping your virtual space secure and free from unnecessary distractions is crucial. Managing who has the power to share their screen is one simple yet effective way to maintain control over your meetings. Follow along as I walk you through the steps needed to disable screen sharing in Zoom, a feature that can be particularly useful if you want to minimize interruptions or keep the meeting focused. Let's dive in. First, you want to start by heading over to the Zoom website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left side and locate the Settings option. Click on this to open the Settings window, which is where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom meetings. Next, within the settings, you'll see a tab called Meeting. You'll want to click on this to access further options tailored to how your meetings are conducted. Upon entering the meeting settings, you'll need to navigate to a section titled In Meeting Basic. This area includes fundamental configurations that dictate the basic functionalities available during a Zoom meeting. As we continue, in the In Meeting or Basic section, take a moment to scroll through your options until you find Screen Sharing. This setting governs who can share their screen during the meeting. If this is turned on by default, any participant can share their screen during a meeting. However, our goal is to restrict this capability. Once you've located screen sharing, you'll notice that there's a toggle button. If you want to disable screen sharing, ensure that this toggle is switched to off. By turning it off, you'll be ensuring that only the host has the privilege to share their screen, cutting down on potential interference in your meeting. Lastly, don't forget to save the changes you've made. After you've toggled the screen sharing setting as needed, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save will confirm and apply the adjustments to your Zoom account, ensuring that they will be in effect the next time you host a meeting. And just like that, you've successfully disabled screen sharing in Zoom. Congratulations on taking steps to make your virtual meetings more streamlined and effective. Remember, you can always revisit these settings to make further adjustments as your needs change. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital meetings.